Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we showcase the coolest and most innovative tools you can grab right now. Today, I've got a killer lineup of must-have tools that you can easily find on Amazon. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tools are going to level up your game. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Makita XCS04T18V lithium-ion brushless cordless rebar cutter kit offers a powerful and efficient solution for cutting rebar and steel rods. With the ability to perform up to 233 cuts of number 5 rebar on a single 18-volt LXD 5.0 Ah battery, this tool is designed for heavy-duty performance. It has a cutting capacity range from 1/8 to 5/8 inch, making it versatile for various jobs. One of the standout features of this rebar cutter is its spark-free cutting, which ensures a safer and cleaner work environment when cutting rebar or steel rods. The tool is powered by a BL brushless motor, eliminating the need for carbon brushes. This means the motor runs cooler, operates more efficiently, and has a longer lifespan than traditional motors. In terms of speed, the Makita XCS04T1 excels by cutting number 5 rebar in just 2.8 seconds, making it fast and effortless for professional use. Overall, this cordless rebar cutter is an excellent choice for contractors who need reliable, efficient, and portable cutting power on the job site. Number 2. The Welkenland 22 Pockets leather tool belt is built with top-grain buffalo leather, making it extremely durable and suitable for tough carpenter work. The 0.2-inch thick leather ensures the tool belt can handle heavy use, while the reinforced pockets and belts provide additional strength and longevity. Designed with comfort in mind, this tool belt features a padded, removable belt that is 5 inches wide and 0.5 inches thick, offering great support during long work hours. The adjustable belt fits waist sizes from 38 to 48 inches, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for most users. With 22 deep pockets, this tool belt provides ample storage space, allowing for easy organization and quick access to tools. The large openings of the pockets make it simple to grab your tools when needed, helping improve efficiency on the job. Built from heavy-duty 16 ounces wax canvas, the tool belt's pockets are reinforced with stitching and rivets, ensuring they can withstand rigorous use and remain long-lasting. The 9-piece combo includes 2 tool belts, 2 tool pouches, a hammer holster, and 4 belt loops, offering flexibility in how you organize and carry your tools. This tool belt is a robust and reliable solution for carpenters and other tradespeople who need a durable, well-organized, and comfortable tool carrying system. Number 3. The Ulber Magnet heavy-duty strong magnetic pickup tool is designed for efficient handling and retrieval of steel materials with its powerful disc-shaped magnet. This strong magnetic pickup tool delivers exceptional magnetic attraction, providing reliable adsorption without the risk of demagnetization, thanks to its durable construction. Equipped with a quick-release magnetic separator, this tool can withstand temperatures of up to 80 degrees Celsius, ensuring safe and consistent use. The handle is designed for one-handed operation, allowing for easy pickup and release of metal objects with minimal effort. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the portable crane-like tool features an ergonomic handle for maximum comfort during use. The upward pressure design ensures smooth operation, making it easy to lift and release steel materials, providing an efficient user experience. To use, simply align the center of the tool with the object you want to handle. Gently place it on the metal surface, and the magnet will take care of the rest. To release, pull up the handle to quickly separate the object from the magnet. This magnetic pickup tool is versatile and can handle various steel materials such as round steel, steel plates, and abrasive steel, making it ideal for tasks that require frequent handling and transportation of metal items. It is a valuable tool for anyone working with steel or metal objects, simplifying the workflow and improving efficiency. Number 4. The CounterSync Set is a versatile tool designed for chamfering, deburring, and enlarging circular holes in materials such as wood, plastic, and metal. With a sharp 90 degrees angled blade, this tool can handle hole sizes ranging from diameter 2.5 millimeters, 3/32 inch, to diameter 19 millimeters, 3/4 inch, making it ideal for various projects. It not only creates clean countersinks for screws, but also effectively removes burrs around hole edges, ensuring a smooth finish. This tool is perfect for both industrial professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It can be used manually or with an electric driver, adding flexibility to your work process. The ergonomic handle is made of polyacetal, providing a secure grip, while the wide body and ball end cap offer comfort during use. The revolving holder swivels 360 degrees inside the handle, and the tool's internal threads allow it to fit securely within the holder, ensuring precise and consistent results. The CounterSync set is suitable for a wide range of materials, including steel, aluminum, copper, acrylics, cast iron, brass, PVC pipes, and even plastic and 3D printed parts. Its versatile application covers tasks like hole chamfering and deburring on metal edges, auto parts, and more. With the ability to create a 90 degrees chamfer, this tool is essential for both professional work and home projects. Number 5. The KastKing Paradox 4.5-inch fishing scissors are precision-engineered tools designed to offer reliable performance in various angling conditions. Constructed with robust 420 stainless steel blades, these scissors are highly resistant to corrosion, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and effective cutting power for fishing lines. Specifically designed for cutting mono, fluorocarbon, and braided fishing lines, the Paradox 4.5-inch braid scissors deliver clean, fray-free cuts with enhanced precision. This makes them an essential tool for any angler who requires sharp and efficient line cutting. The non-slip rubber handles provide a comfortable, secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Whether wet or dry, the handles remain easy to grip, making these scissors perfect for long fishing sessions. To enhance portability, the scissors come with a custom-molded protective sheath and a convenient neck lanyard. This ensures that the scissors are always within reach when needed, offering quick access while on the water. In addition to cutting fishing lines, these scissors are versatile enough for various tasks such as trimming baits or performing detailed work on tackle setups, making them a multifunctional tool for any fishing trip. Number 6. The Saker cordless electric scissors provide a safe and efficient cutting solution for various materials such as cardboard, fabric, leather, plastic, and carpet. Its safety start feature requires the user to press a safety switch before triggering the cutting action, ensuring controlled use. The blade is enclosed within a metal shield with a small cutting opening, offering protection from accidental cuts. For added convenience, the integrated LED light enhances visibility in low-light environments, making it easier to work in dim conditions. Weighing just 0.91 pounds, these electric scissors are lightweight and easy to handle, allowing for prolonged use without causing fatigue. The ergonomic design, complete with non-slip soft grips, ensures comfort and precision during cutting tasks, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Saker Plus is rechargeable and cordless, powered by a 4-volt max lithium battery, offering 25 minutes of continuous use. The USB charging capability provides flexibility and convenience, while the power level indicator allows users to keep track of the battery status to ensure uninterrupted operation. With a cutting speed of 220 RPM and a sharp 1/4-inch SK1806G blade, these electric scissors outperform manual tools, delivering clean, precise cuts on both straight and curved lines. Regular cleaning of the blades helps maintain sharpness and performance. Designed for versatility, the Saker Plus electric rotary cutter is ideal for crafters, tailors, and designers. It can handle a wide range of materials, making it a valuable tool for anyone working with paper, cardboard, fabric, plastic, leather, or carpet. The package includes an electric scissor, USB cable, and user manual, making it a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone in need of a reliable cutting tool. Number 7. The Drill Cut Pro Metal Cutting Adapter transforms any electric drill into a powerful sheet metal cutter, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This upgraded tool features sawtooth front wheels, improving cutting capacity and extending the tool's life. It's more efficient and labor-saving compared to traditional tin shears, greatly enhancing productivity. Capable of cutting various materials, it handles color steel tile, 0.007 inch to 0.031 inch. White sheet, 0.011 to 0.039 inch. Copper and aluminum sheets, 0.011 to 0.047 inch. And stainless steel, 0.007 to 0.019 inch. The tool provides precise cutting accuracy thanks to its CNC finished bearing, ideal for metal trim pieces, roofing panels, and other lightweight metalwork. The Drill Cut Pro is compatible with most electric drills, including lithium, hammer, and pistol drills. Simply attach the adapter and install the fixed handle to begin cutting efficiently. This versatile and reliable tool is a must-have for anyone tackling metal cutting tasks with ease and precision. Number 8. The Buchtel 12-inch 6.2 ampere professional bench drill press is designed for power, precision, and versatility. Featuring a 6.2 ampere induction motor, it provides reliable performance to handle various materials, outperforming standard 5 ampere motors found in similar models. The drill press is equipped with a 1/32 to 5/8 inch keyed chuck, a 12-inch swing, and a 3 1/8 inch spindle travel, offering professional-grade drilling capabilities. The variable speed control, ranging from 580 to 3,200 RPM, ensures smooth operation across different materials like wood and metal, with a digital speed readout for precision. Its fully adjustable work table rotates 360 degrees and bevels 45 degrees left or right, allowing flexibility during use. Additional features include a Class IA 2.5 milliwatts laser for accuracy, a work light for enhanced visibility, an emergency stop switch, and a no-voltage release switch for safety. With an overall height of 39 inch, it stands 2 inch taller than other 12-inch models, providing extra support for demanding projects. Number 9. The Powermatic Benchtop Mortiser is a robust tool designed for precision and ease of use. Featuring a 3/4 inch chisel and a generous 5.5 inch stroke, it allows for efficient mortising in various woodworking projects. The heavy-duty reversible handle can be installed on either side of the head without the need for tools, providing flexibility based on user preference. Setting up is quick and straightforward with 2 integrated bit and chisel spacers, while the inline depth stop enables users to achieve preset depths without needing to adjust the bit back to the base. The large hinged chuck door, equipped with a magnetic catch, offers rapid access to the chuck for convenient bit changes. Additionally, the mortiser includes an integrated chisel and tool holder with a sharpening stone for maintaining sharpness. The quick-action cam lock secures the fence in place with a simple 90-degree movement, and the stock hold-down features a double lock system on the top and side to eliminate workpiece slippage, ensuring safety and precision during operation. Number 10. The Workpro A4 inch pneumatic straight die grinder is a versatile air-powered tool designed for grinding, cutting, polishing, and deburring tasks. Capable of operating at a high speed of 25,000 RPM, this die grinder is ideal for precision work across various materials. It comes equipped with both a 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch collets, allowing compatibility with a wide range of grinding bits. Safety is prioritized with a unique latch on the trigger mechanism that serves as a child safety lock, preventing accidental startups. Weighing only 0.72 pounds, the lightweight and ergonomic design ensures easy maneuverability and a comfortable grip for extended use. The die grinder operates at 90 psi, 6.3 bar, with an air consumption of 85.5 liters per minute, 3 CFM, requiring an air compressor. A rear exhaust reduces noise levels and directs exhaust away from the operator, while an air inlet filter prevents contamination. Regular oiling is necessary for maintenance, making this tool perfect for automotive professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.